Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials, an HTML file and Vscode open. Once done, install the live server extension or verify the built-in preview feature is enabled. Make sure your file is saved as index, HTML or any HTML name so the server recognizes it. Open the command palette, type live server, and choose Open with live server. This launches a local preview in your browser or side panel. You're now ready to see changes instantly while you edit the markup. Once the preview is running, position your workspace for productivity. Split the editor so code sits next to the preview. You do this with Split Editor or drag the preview pane into view. Make a small change, then save the file. Live server auto-refreshes the preview. If CSS or scripts don't appear, inspect the browser console for 404s or syntax errors. Make sure linked paths are relative to the workspace root. These middle steps keep iteration fast and prevent path-related surprises. To finish, confirm the preview reflects the final layout and interactives. Save all files and, if needed, stop live server and restart it to clear stale caches. If nothing appears, check that the HTML file is in your workspace root and linked assets use correct relative paths. Make sure the extension is up to date and no port conflicts exist. One key troubleshooting tip: open DevTools to inspect network requests and console errors. This will quickly reveal missing files or syntax problems so you can fix them.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.